Hey y'all, my name's Jason Dames. I'm with Final Start Fitness. Hey, I created my company a few years back. I just wanted to help people grow in their overall health and their fitness. My goal overall when I started this channel and I started Final Start Fitness was to help people become healthy. And the byproduct of that would be everything that they really want as far as, the external results, whether it's weight loss, whether they want to build more muscle, have more energy, feel better about themselves and get their self-confidence back. These are all the things. I see so many people that struggle, in particular women, that have really struggled with their weight over the years, and it's really impacted their self-confidence. They think about their health 24 hours, or they think about their weight 24 hours a day. And so I just wanted to be able to help give you guys the right information, the right accountability and motivation that'll help you, get real healthy habits in your life that translates into long-lasting results in your health and fitness. So I just wanted to give you an overview of what you would expect on this channel if you subscribe and be a part of this community. We want to give you tips in all these different areas: your nutrition, your exercise, sleep, stress, and toxins. So we'll have everything from meal plans, recipes. We're going to give you lifestyle habits to be able to develop in each one of these 5 areas that I just talked about. We're also going to give you training tips, things that you can do for learn mechanics on how to properly execute the movements when you're strength training and doing particular exercise movements. These things are so important to be able to get the real results that you want. And so with that said, I just want to invite you guys to be able to like, subscribe, join this community, help us grow together, help us to impact this country towards getting healthy. And the byproduct is going to be all those benefits that we talked about, including more. I love you guys. Be sure to put your comments in the comment section below, videos that you would like to see, and maybe information that you would like to learn on this journey, so that way we can help make videos that are going to help you along in that journey. Feel free to like, subscribe, share, all the above, all the things. And if that's not your thing, that's okay too. So God bless you guys. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you on the flip side. Boom.